Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sauce hollandaise. First, combine 3 large egg yolks with 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice in a heat-proof bowl. Place this bowl over a saucepan of simmering water, ensuring the bowl does not touch the water. Whisk continuously until the mixture thickens and becomes a pale yellow, creating a stable base for your sauce. Now for the crucial step, slowly incorporate the clarified butter. While continuously whisking the egg yolk mixture, gradually drizzle in about 100 grams of warm, clarified butter. Add it in a very thin stream at first, then slightly faster as the emulsion forms. This steady whisking is vital for achieving that classic, creamy texture. With the butter fully incorporated, it's time to season your beautiful hollandaise. Add a pinch of salt, a dash of white pepper, and a tiny amount of cayenne pepper for a subtle kick. Taste and adjust the seasoning, perhaps adding another teaspoon of lemon juice if desired. Your sauce should now be wonderfully smooth, thick, and glossy. Your perfect hollandaise is ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately over classic dishes like eggs Benedict or steamed asparagus. If by chance your sauce separates, don't panic. Simply whisk in 1 teaspoon of very hot water and it should come back together. Remember, hollandaise is best fresh, so enjoy it right away.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.